Welcome to another BookingKoala tutorial. If you don't have BookingKoala yet, be sure to get it from the link below and follow along step by step. If you're new here, we have lots of tutorials about BookingKoala on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can easily find us whenever you need help with BookingKoala.
Today we're tackling a frustrating issue that many of you might have encountered while using BookingKoala. If you've been receiving upset calls from customers about unexpected holds on their credit cards, stick around. We'll go through a step-by-step tutorial on how to properly set up your payment settings to avoid these issues in the future. Let's get started. First, head over to the settings. After accessing settings, select General. Hover over Store Options. Then click on the General tab. Scroll down until you see the Payment section. Now in the Payment section, you'll see the first question. Do you want to allow a booking charged even if it's unassigned? Here's what you need to do. If you want bookings to charge without an assigned provider, select Yes. This means that once the booking time passes, it can move to the Pending Charges section even if it's unassigned. If you want to prevent unassigned bookings from being charged, essentially keeping those past bookings untouched, select No. This will ensure that those old bookings stay in the unassigned folder until canceled or rescheduled. After you've made modifications, remember to save it. And that's it. You're now ready to manage your BookingKoala payments better. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
If you are interested in a simple-to-use cleaning business app, check out Clean CRM. Right now, you can try it out for free for 30 days.